guys. I've been kind of lazy lately. I'm just now starting to do the passenger side, as you can see. So like I said, it's fairly easy. If you guys want to get these lights, I think they're pretty good lights. As you see, I got the little door Lexus emblem on this one. But it's pretty simple. But as you can see, you run your one wire. Let me see. Let me get it real quick. Run your other wire right here at 15A door lock. Get you a piggyback, plug it up to that, wire it up, and wire both door trims up to it. And then what you do is right here where your door switch is, you hook your negative wire up to that. So when you close the door, everything shuts off at the same time. When you open it, and there you go. It's fairly easy. I think it's a good price on these lights, and you should consider getting them. They look pretty good.